Afternoon, Ronatan and Fernando. I hope that you had a great weekend. So today we're gonna continue talking about can and can't. I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna show you. So everybody please open your books on page 52. Yeah. Shall we go to page 52? Remember that on Saturday we talk about can and can't for abilities, right? Here you have at the top of the page. Practice can, can't for ability. Yes, we're going to talk about abilities. So I hope that you remember that. Today, we're going to continue talking about can and can't on page 52. Yep. I'm going to make zoom. So you can't do that. Practice can, can't for possibility and permission. So on Saturday, we talk about can for abilities, right? I can climb a mountain, I can swim. Now we're going to talk about for possibility and for permission. So those are different things. Yes? Listen to 3 conversations, match them to 3 of the signs. Here you have the signs, right? Here you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And you have to choose 3 of these signs. Everybody, please, I want you to pay attention and listen to 3 conversations and match or choose 3 of these signs. Shall we start? I'm gonna share the audio. Yes, there you have. And everybody, please listen up.
Transcript 5.4, page 52. Exercise 1. 1.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry, you can't smoke here. This is a non-smoking area.
Oh, sorry.
There's a smoking area over there. You can smoke there.
2.
Can I drink this water?
No, sorry, you can't. It isn't drinking water.
3.
Can I pay in dollars?
No, sorry. You can't use dollars here. Only pesos.
Ah, okay. Can I pay by credit card?
Okay, everybody, there you have the 3 conversations, and you have to choose 3 of these signs, right? So let's listen to Ronatan. Ronatan, which of these 3 signs did you choose? You remember what was the listening about? Well, we have 3 conversations, right? Yes, Ronatan?
Yes, teacher, sería el picture C.
Okay, picture C. For which conversation? The first one, the second, the third? We listen to
the first question.
the first conversation? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Ronatan, thank you. Abigail, what do you think? Do you agree with Ronatan? Is it picture C? Abigail?
Yes.
Yes? Everybody agrees with Ronatan and Abigail. Is it picture C, the first conversation? Or it's another picture? Anyone that has a different answer? No? So the first conversation is about smoke, right? It's picture D, not C, but picture D. It's about smoke. You can't smoke here, right? It's not permitted. You can't. Let's go with the second conversation, please. What about the second conversation? And we're gonna listen to Janet. Janet, according to what you listened to the second conversation, which of these signs is it? Janet?
Sunglasses?
Sunglasses? You think is it about sunglasses? Okay, let's listen to Samara. Samara, what do you think? Is it about sunglasses or not?
En la segunda conversación, teacher,
Yes, the second one.
is a letter Q.
K. Letter K.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna talk about drinking water, right? Drinking water. Yeah. The second conversation is about drinking water. It's not possible to drink that water. It's not drinking water. So the first conversation is about smoke. The second one is about drinking water. What about the third conversation? Shall we listen to Fernando? Fernando, what about the third conversation? Which of these signs is it?
The picture I.
Yeah, it's picture I, right? So we're going to talk about money, pesos, dollars, credit card, cash, money. Yes, that's it. The first conversation is about smoke. The second is about drinking water. And the last one is about money. So we're going to listen one more time, please. Everybody, please, I want you to listen up carefully. Sí, todos quiero que vayan, si están en un lugar con mucha bulla, vayan a un lugar silencioso. And listen carefully. We're going to listen one more time, but in this time we're going to complete the extracts, yes? Complete with one word. Well, in this case the word is easy because you have to use can or can't. ¿Sí? Solamente vamos a completar usando can or can't. So everybody please listen up. I'm gonna play the audio.
Transcript 5.4, page 52. Exercise 1. 1.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry. You can't smoke here. This is a non-smoking area.
Oh, sorry.
There's a smoking area over there. You can smoke there.
2.
Can I drink this water?
No, sorry, you can't. It isn't drinking water.
3.
Can I pay in dollars?
No, sorry. You can't use dollars here. Only pesos.
Ah, okay. Can I pay by credit card?
Okay, so now we're gonna see if you manage to identify whether it was can or can't. Sí, vamos a ver si lograron identificar si fue can or can't, positive or negative. So in this opportunity, we're gonna call a person that didn't participate. So Nady, yes, could you help me, Nady, with number 1? What do you have? Nady, are you here? What do you have in number 1? Hello, Nady, are you here or not? No, Nady is not here. Okay. No problem. I'm gonna put that she is not here. Okay, Sebastian, if you wanna participate, Sebastian, what do you have in number 1?
Sería can't. Cannot.
Okay. Yes, I'm sorry, you can't smoke here. And the second one? Yeah, it's correct, the first one, but the second option, Sebastian?
Como teacher no lo entendí.
What about the second option? In number 1 you have 2 spaces, right? 1 and 2. En la primera conversación tiene 2 espacios. 1 and 2. What do you have for the second option?
Sería can't.
Yeah, that one is positive, right? So the first one is negative. I'm sorry, you can't smoke here. And the second option, there's a smoking area over there. You can smoke there. Yes, you can smoke there, but not here. You can't smoke here, but you can smoke there. Yes? So the first one is negative, the second one positive. Thank you so much, Sebastian. Let's go with the second conversation, number 2. And we're gonna listen to Jose Luis. Jose Luis, what do you have in the second one? You have, again, 2 options.
Firme, teacher.
Okay.
¿Puede repetir, no, teacher?
The conversation or the question? If you look at the second conversation, here you have a question, right? I drink this water. Oh no, sorry, it isn't drinking water. So here, are you gonna choose can or can't?
Can.
Yeah, so the first one is with capital letter. Sí, como es una pregunta, siempre empezamos con mayúscula. And there you have, can I drink this water? Is it possible to drink this water? And the answer, Jose Luis, what do you think? The second space. No, sorry, you...
Sería, I drink this water. Can?
Positive or negative? Sorry, it is not drinking water.
Negativo. Can.
Yeah, can't, right?
Can't.
Thank you so much, Jose Luis. The second option is negative. Sorry, you can't. It isn't drinking water. Let's go with number 3. And in this opportunity, we're going to listen to Pedro. Pedro, what about number 3? There you have a question, an answer, and again, another question. So 3 spaces, 3 blanks. So Pedro, what are you going to write in the first space? Is Pedro here or not? Pedro? Gonzalo? Well, Pedro is not here, but Gonzalo? What about you, Gonzalo? What do you think? No, Gonzalo is not here. Okay, shall we go with Sharisti? Sharisti, what do you think about the third conversation? The third one. Remember that we have a question, yes? It's a question.
Wait, dollars?
Can I pay in dollars, right? Can I pay in dollars? Yes? The answer?
No, sorry, you can't use dollar here.
Only pesos. Perfect, Sharisti. You can't use dollars here. It's not possible, right? And the third one, Sharisti?
Okay, can I play the credit card?
Can I pay by credit card? Yeah, it's another question with capital letter, right? Can I pay by credit card? Okay, thank you so much, Aristi. That was perfect. So there you have the answers. Yes, there you have the answers. So remember that we're gonna use can and can't in order to give permissions, right? In order to give, if you read here, it's a possibility or a permission, one of those two. So we're gonna complete here the grammar panel. Yes, and who's gonna help me in this opportunity? We're gonna see if Dana is here. I think Dana is not here. Yes, Dana, you're here.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Dana. So this is the second time. Well, we're gonna use it twice. Can, can't. In number one, what are you gonna choose? Can or can't? We use can or can't to talk about what it's okay, what it's possible to do. What do you think?
We use can.
Yes, we're gonna use can to talk about what it's okay. Number two, Dana. Are we gonna use can or can to say that something is not possible?
Can. ¿Cómo se dice?
Can or can't?
Can.
Can't, right? The negative. Number two, we're gonna use can to say that something is not possible. Okay, so Dana, here you have two examples. What do you think about number three? It's okay, it's possible to smoke here, so we're gonna say you can or you can't smoke here.
You can?
So that's possible, yes, it's okay. So you can smoke here. And number four, it is impossible to smoke here.
Abajo sería can.
Can't, right? The negative one. Thank you so much, Dana. That was perfect. Should we go with number five? Yes. So this is for you in order to remember. Sí, esto es para ustedes para que puedan recordarlo. We're gonna use can to talk about what it's okay, what it's possible. ¿Sí? Can, positive. El positivo lo vamos a usar cuando algo está bien, cuando algo es posible. Podemos hacer algo. We are gonna use can't, the negative, to say that something is not possible, right? For example, you can't smoke here. ¿Sí? El negativo es para decir que algo no es posible de hacer. You can't smoke here. Shall we go with number five, number six? You just have to put in the correct order. Yeah, I'm gonna highlight that. Write the words in the correct order. Acá tienen las palabras en desorden, tenemos que escribirlas en el orden correcto. And for this activity, is gonna help me Edson. Welcome, Edson. Edson, in number 5, it's a question. What is the correct order for number 5?
Sería can you smoke here?
Perfect. Can you smoke here? Right? It's a question. Can you smoke here? And letter B, what's the question? Well, in number 6.
Can you eat here?
Can you eat here? Perfect. That's it, right? Can you eat here? Okay. So, Edson, in answer the question for your classroom, in short answers, what are we gonna say? Yes, no, you, yes, no, you, what? Number 7. If it's positive, let's start with positive. Yes, you.
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Okay. So now if we take into account the questions, it's perfect, Edson. Pero ahora si tomamos esta pregunta de base, can you smoke here? Let's imagine that you are in a classroom. Sí, imaginemos que estamos en una clase y can you smoke in the classroom? Can you smoke here? Yes or no? Sí, eso, imagínense que está en un aula pasando clases, en un lugar cerrado. Can you smoke in that place?
Teacher, ¿me podría decir qué significa smoke?
Okay, I'm gonna show you the picture. I'm gonna show you the picture. It's here, picture D.
Picture D. Oh.
Yes. Can you smoke in the classroom?
No, no.
No, right? No, you can't. Can you repeat, please? No, you can't.
No, you can't.
Now, Edson, can you eat here? Can you eat in the classroom?
No, you can't.
Yes. So both are negative. No, you can't. Thank you so much, Edson. Sí, smoke significa fumar. That's why in the conversation you have, excuse me, sir, I'm sorry, you can't smoke here, right? This is a non-smoking area. Es un área para no fumadores. This is a non-smoking area. There's a smoking area over there. You can smoke there. Sí, acuérdense que hay restaurantes que cuentan con áreas para fumadores, áreas para no fumadores. Yeah? Normally when it's indoors, what was indoors? ¿Alguien se acuerda del significado de indoors? What is indoors? Indoors. Outdoors. What's the meaning of those words? So when it's indoor, you can't smoke, right? It's not possible to smoke. But if you are outdoor in an open area, so you can smoke. It doesn't bother anybody. Sí, indoor son los lugares cerrados. Outdoor lugares abiertos. The open area. Yeah. So when you're in indoor, you can't smoke. It's not possible. Okay. So now that we have the rules here, yes, notice we can use you to talk about people in general. Sí, por eso aquí en todos los ejemplos ponemos can you smoke here? No, you can't. Yeah, it's to talk about people in general. Estamos mencionando a todos. You can't sell food here. No one. That means that no one. Cuando decimos esta frase, you can't sell food here, no es solamente para usted o tú, es para todos. Nadie puede vender comida acá. ¿Sí? You can't sell food here. No one can sell food here. So now, we're going to do some exercises. Yes? First of all, you have here the pictures. You have here 3 times 4, it's 12 signs. You have here 12 signs that I want you to write a sentence for each one. ¿Sí? Esto lo vamos a hacer en su cuaderno. We're going to write speaking, exercise number 1, page 52. I'm going to write it here. I don't know how this works, but anyway. Yes, so on your notebooks, we're going to write, first of all, the page 52, speaking, exercise 1. Write sentences, well, write a sentence for each sign. ¿Sí? Escriban una oración para cada, how you say sign in Spanish, para cada señalización. For example, picture D, right? You have the example of picture D. It says you can't smoke here. Yes, you can't smoke here. What about picture A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L? So I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to write a sentence for each sign. Yes. You have 3 minutes to look at the signs and write a sentence. Sí, chicos, tienen 3 minutos para mirar las señalizaciones y escribir una oración. Remember that these are not possible, so all of them are negative. Yes, all of them are negative. J, K, L. That's it. So there you have the 12. So let me see how many of you do we have here. Okay, you're 13. I think each one of you can write a sentence. Abigail, you're going to tell me picture A, Dana picture B, Edson picture C, Janet picture E, Jose Luis picture F, Fernando picture G, yes, Fernando picture G, Nady picture H, Gonzalo picture I, Jonathan picture J, Samara picture K. Well, I think K is in the example, so picture L. So we're going to finish with Samara. Yep. Abigail, what do you have for the first picture?
You can wear shorts.
You can have shirts. Yes.
Sí.
So it's possible to have shirts?
No, can't.
Can't, right? Este sonido es como una A y una I. Can't. Another verb, Abigail, otro verbo para decir usar, vestir, shorts.
Her?
Wear, yes? You can't wear shorts here. Can't wear shorts here. Thank you, Abigail. What about picture B, Dana? Dana, what do you have for picture B?
Teacher, tiene que ser una oración con el objeto que está ahí, ¿no?
Yes.
You can label.
You can pardon?
You can play ball.
Play ball? So it's possible to play ball?
No. Negativo.
Okay, you can't.
Sí.
Could you repeat, please? You can't play with a ball. Yes? You can't play with a ball here. Can you repeat, please, Dana?
You can play with a ball.
Ball
Ball.
here. Okay. No se olvide de hacer el sonido de la T al final. You can't. You can't. Okay. Thank you so much, Dana. Edson, what do you have for picture C?
You can wear boots. Wear boots.
Okay. You can't wear boots here. It's not possible to wear boots here. Yes. Thank you so much, Edson. Janet, what do you have for picture E? Yes, Janet. What about picture E? What's that picture? What's the sign?
You can't skate here?
Perfect. You can't skate here, right? It's not possible to skate here. Yes, that's it. You can't skate here. Thank you so much, Janet. Jose Luis, what do you have for picture F?
Teacher, you can swim here.
Swim. We're going to say swim.
Swim.
Yes. You can't swim here. It's not possible to swim here. Thank you. Fernando, what about picture G?
And you cannot wear glasses here because it is a bank.
Because it is?
A bank.
Okay, because it's a bank. You can wear or use sunglasses here. Because it's a bank. Yes, perfect. That's a complete sentence. Because it is a bank. You can't wear sunglasses here because it's a bank. What about picture H? This one is easy, and we're going to listen to Nady. Nady, what about picture H?
You can't computer here.
You can't. Después del can vamos a escribir un verbo, así que le falta el verbo. You can computer. No puede computadora. No puede qué.
Teacher, ¿está bien si digo you can use your computer on the beach?
Yeah, perfect. You can't use your computer on the beach, right? Be careful. There is a lot of sand on the beach. Oh, I cannot anymore. Ya no me deja escribir más. But it's perfect. You can't use your computer on the beach. I'm going to continue writing here the messages. You can use your computer on the beach. That was perfect, baby. Thank you so much. What about picture I? What do you have for picture I? Shall we go with, let me check. Gonzalo, what do you have for picture I? Gonzalo is not here, right? Okay, so we're gonna call another person. Gonzalo is not here. Sebastian, what do you think for picture I, Sebastian? It's an easy one.
Ok, teacher. Sería you can't pay in dollar.
You can't pay with dollars here. You can't pay with dollars here. Yes, that will be picture I. You can't pay with dollars here, right? Okay, it's possible. What about picture J? Should we listen to Ronatan? Ronatan, what do you have for picture J?
Okay, teacher. You can eat here.
You can't eat here. Yes, that was easy one. You can eat here. You can't eat here. Samara, what do you have for picture L?
You can take photo here.
You can't take photos here, right? That's the next one. You can't take photos here. Okay, thank you so much, Samara. Let's try to do the last one. Sharisti, could you tell me about picture K? It was in the example, but can you try to do it? Sharisti, what do you think about picture K? Yes, Sharisti? I listen to you. Any ideas? No, Sharissa is not here. Okay, Jordi, what do you think about picture K? Can you tell me a rule, Jordi?
You can't.
Sorry, Jordi, I couldn't listen to you.
¿Cómo sería eso, teacher? O sea, es dejar caer el agua.
Es beber el
No
agua.
sería. Entonces, you can drink water here.
Yes, you can't drink water here. That was it. Yes, that's it. You can't drink water here. Yes, that's it. So there you have the other answers. Now that we have practiced speaking, now that you have know how to pronounce can't, right? So we're gonna see these are examples on the street, in a store, in a station, in a church, in a swimming pool, in a museum. We're gonna try to use these places. Yes? For example, you can wear shorts where? You can't wear shorts in a store. You can't wear shorts in a movie theater. Where it's not possible to wear shorts. I'm gonna come back with Abigail. Abigail, where do you think it's not possible to wear shorts? On the street, in a store, in a station, in a church, in a hospital, on a beach, on a plane.
In a movie theater?
Yes, it's not possible to wear shorts in a movie theater. Do you think?
Yes.
When you see people going to the cine center, are they wearing shorts or not? The movie theater is the cinema, right? Movie theater, it's a cinema. You can't wear shorts in a movie theater?
Yes.
Well, okay, it depends. I would say that not, because normally when you go to see movies, it doesn't matter how you're wearing, right? Normalmente cuando vas a ver una película, no importa lo que están vistiendo, because you're watching a movie, right? Nobody's watching at you. Nadie le está viendo a usted, sino que todos están viendo la película. But you can wear shorts when you're going to a movie theater. When you go to Ventura Mall, you can wear shorts. It's possible. And somebody that has an idea where it's not possible to wear shorts, in which of these places do you think it's not possible to wear shorts? ¿Algún voluntario que cree que en alguno de estos lugares no es posible usar shorts? Anyone? What do you think about in a church? Well, first of all, let's see the words, ¿sí? Primero vamos a ver las palabras y a ver si hay alguna palabra que no entienda. On the street, right? When you walk on the street, in a store. So, for example, in your neighborhood, you have plenty of local stores. ¿Sí? En sus barrios seguramente tienen muchas tienditas. In a store. On the street, in a station, in a gas station, in an oil station, una gasolinera, in a church, Here you have, right, where people go to pray. People go and pray. Donde las personas van a rezar, a orar. So that's a church, una iglesia. Swimming pool, museum. I think everybody knows what's a museum. On a plane, yes. When you travel to, I don't know, to La Paz, to Cochabamba, to Madrid, on a plane, in a square, right? The main square in Santa Cruz is September 24th. Esa es la plaza principal en Santa Cruz, la plaza 24 de septiembre. Square, plaza. In a shopping mall, in a beach, on the door to a restaurant, in a hospital, in a hotel, in a park, in a movie theater, near a computer. So in which of these places is not possible to wear shorts? According to you. ¿Sí? ¿En cuál de estos lugares no es posible usar el short, según ustedes? Any ideas? Jonathan?
Ok, teacher, sería in a church.
Could be, sometimes, yeah. It depends the church, right? Depende de la religión de la iglesia, but yeah. Normally in some church you can't wear shorts, right? En algunas iglesias no es posible usar shorts. You have to go with pants. You have to wear formally, neat. Yes? So these are places for you in order to complete. Esto es para que ustedes completen. ¿En cuál de estos lugares no pueden usar these signs, right? For example, I don't remember which, but someone says you can't use your computer on the beach, right? That was Sharisti. ¿Se acuerdan del ejemplo de Sharisti? You can't use your computer on the beach. So there you have, on the beach. Now, if we continue talking about these places, we're gonna read some sports. Here you have bossa ball, parkour, then you have zorbing. These are well-known sports all around the world. So I just want you to match the words in the box to the images. Look at these images and look at these words. You have plastic ball, roll, jump, a wall, trampoline, hill, acrobatics, and much to the images. Yeah. So Abigail, if you look at picture A, which of these words are you gonna say? Si mira la imagen A, ¿cuál de estas palabras usaría? Plastic ball, roll, jump, wall, trampoline, hill, acrobatics. Sorry, Abigail, couldn't listen to you well.
La primera.
Yes, picture A.
Plastic ball.
Okay, could be a plastic ball. We're gonna see. Could be. Any other option? Otra palabra? No? No more answers? Okay, I will say that here is plastic ball. No, I don't think it's a plastic ball. Well, It could be, right? Yeah, why not? Could be from plastic. Could be a plastic ball.
Jump?
Yes, they are jumping. Jump. And trampoline, right? Those are the words. Yeah, for this picture. Thank you so much, Abigail. Let's go with picture B. And Harold, what do you think about picture B? This is an amazing sport. It's called parkour. So Harold, what do you think about this picture? Which word?
Acrobatics.
Acrobatics, right? What else? ¿Qué más ve acá?
Jump.
Jump. Yes, they are jumping. And what else?
Wall.
Wall. Yes, that's it. So in order to do parkour, you need a lot of walls. You need to jump a lot and do acrobatics, right? Perfect. Thank you, Harold. What about the last picture, picture C? Shall we listen to Fernando? Fernando, what do you see here?
Plastic ball.
Yep, here you have a plastic ball. What else?
Here.
Hill.
And roll.
Roll. Yeah, probably you don't know what's the meaning of hill, what's roll. Thank you so much, Fernando. So, hill es una montaña. No una montaña, pero una colina. That's it. Hill es una colina. Roll, so roll is the verb. Es el verbo y significa rodar. Right? So here you can see that it's plastic ball in a hill, and the plastic ball is rolling, rolling and rolling. Yes, that's it. So let me check the time to see if it's time. It is time. So please, for tomorrow, we're gonna read the descriptions. Sí, ya no nos da más tiempo. Pero para mañana quiero que lean la descripción de cada deporte. What is bossa ball? What is parkour? What is zorbing about? Yeah, there you have the description. If there is a word that you don't understand, you can look up the dictionary, right? Si hay alguna palabra que no entiendan, pueden buscarlo en el diccionario. And I want you to match one sport to each statement. For example, you can't do this alone. ¿Cuál de estos tres deportes no puede hacerlo solo? No puede jugarlo solo. Yes? And you write the name parkour, bossa ball, or probably zorbing. Yes? You can do it on water. Which of these sports you can do it on water? ¿Cuál de estos tres deportes puedo hacerlo en el agua? You can do it on the beach. You can do it in the city. You can invent your own rules. Yep. So please, for tomorrow, we're gonna check this page. Mañana llegamos, lo corregimos rápido, vemos de qué se trata cada deporte. Ustedes me van a decir de estas oraciones para qué deportes son. And that's it. Because why? Because then we have to write our own rules. ¿Sí? Luego tenemos que crear nuestro propio deporte. Think of the rules of a sport you know and write them using can and can't. Es importante que conozcamos sobre algunos deportes, las reglas, para que después ustedes me cuenten sobre un deporte que les gusta o que quieran investigar y me digan algunas reglas utilizando can and can't. Yep. So this is for tomorrow. For tomorrow, I just want you to read the descriptions and do exercise number 3. That's it. Okay? And start thinking about a sport. So thank you so much for being on time. See you tomorrow. Don't forget, please, to do your workbook. You have until this Thursday, right, to present the workbook, Unit 4. Si no se olviden de presentar su workbook. Unidad 4 tienen este jueves para subirlo a la plataforma de Richmond. And that's it. Do you have any other question? ¿Tienen alguna pregunta, alguna duda?
Disculpe, teacher.
Yes, Dana?
Hay que para mañana corregir el ejercicio 3. Hay que ver el segundo.
It's not correct. No es corregir, but match. Match one sport with one sentence. ¿Sí? Unir uno de esos 3 deportes con la oración que tienen ahí.
Ya.
For example, it's important that you read the sport. ¿Sí? Tienen que leer primero la descripción y luego lo unen. You can't do this alone. ¿Cuál de esos 3 deportes no puede hacerlo solo? You can't do this alone. Is it possible? Parkour? Or is it sorbing? ¿Sí? Escoge uno de esos 3 deportes y usted me dice cuál de esos 3 deportes no puede jugarlo sola.
Ya.
Okay? Only that. Any other question that you have? No more questions? Okay, so see you tomorrow. Yep. The homework is not difficult, but please remember to finish your workbook and present it at the Richmond platform, and that's it. So have a nice afternoon and see you tomorrow. Yep. Goodbye, everybody.
Have a good afternoon, Miss. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Fernando.
Bye, teacher.